wonderful.
Celebration. We are having a special assembly from grade 1. We now have the bouquet presentation from our head girl, Ayana Fatima Raza, representing the beautiful bouquet.
Good morning, everybody. Respected principal, Saudi mantras, headmistresses of the girls wing, a hearty welcome to one and all on the occasion of special assembly on our Republic Day. Today we are celebrating Indian Republic Day. It is a great day for India because on this day, long ago, we got our own rules called our Constitution. The Constitution of India came into existence on 26th of January 1950 so that the citizens of India can live happily and peacefully. Our tricolor is very precious to us. It has three colors: saffron for courage, white for peace, and green for growth. So let's love each other, love our country, be nice, good human beings, and celebrate this beautiful occasion. Jai Hind!
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal sir, headmistress sir, Saudi managers, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Aisha Rafiqul Islam from grade 1B, and we grade 1 students will be conducting today's special assembly. We welcome you all to celebrate 76th Republic Day of India. Republic Day is an occasion that reminds us the importance of the Constitution of India. Let's begin the day with the blessing of Almighty. I call upon Abdul Azim and Minhaj to recite Qirat and its translation. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. In the name of God, the gracious, the merciful. Say, He is God the One, God the Absolute. He begets God, nor was He begotten, and there is nothing comparable to Him. Thoughts enrich our minds. Now we have Yashvika Sinha to say thought of the day. The thought for the day is freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, memories of our soul. Let's salute the nation on Republic Day. I repeat, freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, memories of our soul. Let's salute the nation on Republic Day. Thanks. To reflect the value of our Republic Day, I call upon Ahmad Saleh to share his thoughts. Good morning, everyone. Today we celebrate India's 76th Republic Day, the day our Constitution came into effect, upholding the principles of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Let's honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and pledge to uphold these values as we work together for a united and prosperous India. The tricolor of India, let it top the pride. Stands from white and green, it holds the chakras on its side. The tricolor of India, let it top the pride. Stands from white and green, it holds the chakras on its side. ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा, ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा. Stand for sacrifice, white a symbol of peace, green for prosperity and the India of our dreams. Stand for sacrifice, white a symbol of peace, green for prosperity and the India of our dreams. ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा, ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा. Thank you. Embracing the spirit of unity in diversity that defines the nation, I, Kavita Merit, the grade 1B, would like to call upon students of grade 1 who represent different states of our country. Kashmir. Kashmir is called Heaven on Earth and also known as Crown of India.
So there's a girls section, middle section, our Saudi counterparts, dear teachers and very dear students. A very happy Republic Day of India to you all. Your headmistress has just told you that what is the importance of celebrating Republic Day. On the 26th of January, 1950, about 75 years back, Constitution of India was introduced. India got its independence in the year 1947, but Constitution of India was introduced in 1950. And we must always follow the Constitution, because if we follow the Constitution, we can live in peace and harmony, right? So the fundamental, the basic of the Constitution is that all men are equal. We are all equal. There should not be any discrimination on the basis of one's religion, one's caste, one's creed, one's financial status, or anything. We are all similar. We are all equals. So that is the basis of the Constitution. So we must always respect that, and only then we can prosper, we can develop, right? So we have been following the Constitution, we have been governed by the Constitution of India, and 75 years have gone, we have developed, we are considered as one of the big powers in the world, right? So are you going to make India more prosperous, more developed? Yes. And we have to, like we have to love our parents, we have to love our country. Okay? So, Jai Hind. Enjoy your day. Thank you very much.